Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you a very unconventional method of coloring your hair. These days even small kids are having grey in the hair because of our eating habits, maybe because of the environment, because of the pollution. The times that we are living in, most people are having grey hair. So I will be sharing a very wonderful concoction which will help cure your grey hair. Not permanently, but if you will use it consistently, it will completely eliminate your problem of grey hair. So what I'm using, as it's visible here, I'll be using potatoes. Potatoes are loaded with phosphorus, iron, calcium, fibers, potassium, proteins and vitamin A, B and C. It results in stronger hair and also for starving of grey hair. So see, along with being a very yummy vegetable which is like a favorite for kids, it is also used for a lot of beauty purposes. Now what you need to do is, you take 4 to 5 potatoes. You need to take out the peels of the potatoes. I would suggest don't peel it with a peeler, but then try to take out a little thick peel using a knife. I'm trying to take out a little thicker peel. Alright people, you can see I have peeled all the potatoes. The peeled potatoes are lying here and the peels are lying here. These potatoes you can use for any purpose. I will be telling you the use of potatoes for skin as well in my subsequent videos. But right now I'll be using this potato peel. The flesh of the potato you can be using later on. So these are the peels. The more the peels, the better it is, because then the concentration of the minerals and vitamins, whatever the potato has to offer, increases in the concoction. So what I'll be doing is, I'll take these potato skins and put them in a vessel. So now you put enough water so that these peels are completely soaked in the water, and I put it on boil at 200 degrees for around 15 minutes, or let's say if the temperature is high, let's make it 12 minutes. Now let this water boil, and as the water will be boiling, the whatever potato has to offer, it all goes into the water, and then this water will be very, very useful for your hair. The starch which is there in ample quantity in potato skin, it is very, very good for hair and it acts as natural colorant. Also I would like to tell you that potato liquid will not be the best smelling thing to be put in hair. So what you need to do is, this is lavender essential oil. So I'll be using this lavender essential oil, say around 10 drops of this oil in the water later on, so that when I apply this water to my hair doesn't sting. Okay friends, so have a look. This concoction is boiling perfectly. We'll let it boil. I will simmer it for a while. In the meanwhile, I would like you to please share, like and subscribe my channel, because then only I would be able to post more and more videos which will really help you out for your beauty and your health. So it's nearly done. You can see the liquid has changed its color. It's perfect. It's boiling very nice. You could smell the aroma of potatoes being boiled. So that means the loaded potatoes, whatever they are loaded with, is getting into the liquid. Alright friends, so we are nearly through. I am done with the boiling part. Now let this potato skin stand inside the water for say around 10 to 15 minutes, and let the water absorb whatever this potato has to offer. Okay friends, so this this was the concoction that I had prepared. Now I need to strain it out with the help of a strainer. You take out the entire water, and as you can see, this water is golden in color, and this is that miracle water which will change your grey hair to dark colored hues. Now is the time to be adding this lavender essential oil. Lavender is very pleasantly smelling, and it is also very good for your hair. It soothes your senses actually. So what I do is I add a little lavender oil into this liquid and mix it properly. Now you let the liquid cool down, and then you can store it into a glass bottle, and you can put it into your fridge, and you can use it like every alternate day. After washing your hair, you can take a final rinse of this liquid, and then either you wash it off or you let it stand into your hair. That's personal, whatever you want to do it, both are fine. If it is left in your hair, obviously it's gonna work more, and thus we are ready with this perfectly natural hair colorant. So friends, before signing off, I would again like to remind you that please do like and subscribe my channel, and do share it also, because there are lots of people who really need help. They want to do something with their looks and they are not actually finding a way out. So please do that, and see you later. Bye bye.